Welcome to our deep dive into the Scrum Framework. We're going to explore the core concepts, roles, and events that make Scrum a powerful tool for project management. Let's start by understanding what Scrum is all about and why it's become so important in today's fast-paced world. Welcome. In this session, we'll unpack the basics of Scrum and why it's crucial for modern project management. We'll explore our journey into the world of agility and how Scrum fits into that picture. Today, we face increasing complexity and uncertainty in our projects, making traditional methods less effective. Projects are becoming more complex. Traditional methods often fail in highly unpredictable environments. Requirements are changing rapidly, and it's challenging to predict everything in advance. So what exactly is Scrum? It's a lightweight framework for addressing complex adaptive problems. Scrum is a lightweight framework designed to solve complex problems. Scrum is based on empiricism and guided by 5 values: focus, openness, courage, commitment, and respect. Scrum defines 3 key roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the developers. These roles form a self-managing team with no hierarchy or sub-teams. Events in Scrum provide regularity and minimize the need for meetings not defined in Scrum. The foundation of Scrum is the sprint, which contains events like sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Scrum artifacts represent work or value in various ways that are useful in providing transparency and opportunities for inspection and adaptation. Key artifacts include the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and the increment. Let's walk through the sprint lifecycle and see how everything works together. The sprint lifecycle starts with the product backlog and culminates in the sprint review and retrospective. Let's look at a mini task to apply our knowledge of Scrum events. Imagine a team where not everyone understands what their colleagues are working on. Which Scrum event can help solve this? How can Scrum principles be applied in your own work and life? Consider how Scrum promotes adaptation to change and where challenges might arise in implementation. Let's discuss the key benefits of Scrum and what your next steps should be. Scrum offers rapid adaptation to change, increased transparency, and improved product quality. Now, let's open the floor for questions, experience sharing, and discussion. Share your thoughts on Scrum, the challenges you see, and any experiences you've had using it.